In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Google Chrome colors on PC in just a few simple steps. This is a quick and easy way to personalize your browser, make it look cleaner, and give your Chrome window a style that matches your setup. If you like simple tutorials that save time, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your PC and open a new tab. You'll want to be on the main Chrome Start page so you can access the customization options. Once the new tab opens, look toward the bottom right corner of the page. There you should see the Customize Chrome button. Depending on your Chrome version, it may appear as a pencil icon or as text that says, Customize Chrome. Go ahead and click that button. After you click it, a panel will slide out from the right side of your screen. This is where Chrome lets you personalize the appearance of your browser. Inside this panel, you'll see different options for changing the look and feel of Chrome. To change the browser color, look for the preset color circles. These are ready-made color themes that instantly update the appearance of your tabs, address bar, and browser frame. Simply click on any of the color circles to apply that style right away. As soon as you choose one, Chrome will update automatically, so you can instantly see the new look without needing to save anything manually. If you want something more specific, Chrome also gives you a custom color option. Look for the eyedropper icon or the color picker tool. Click that, and a color wheel or custom shade selector will open. From there, you can fine-tune the exact color you want, whether you prefer a darker theme, a brighter accent, or a more unique shade that matches your desktop setup. Once you pick your custom color, Chrome will apply it across the browser interface, so your tabs, toolbar, and frame all reflect the new style. You can also go back at any time and try another color if you want to switch things up later. That makes it easy to experiment until you find the look that feels right for you. And that's it. You've now learned how to change Google Chrome colors on PC. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make your browser feel a lot more personalized and easier on the eyes. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.